What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. Hey, I want to let you guys know I'm not done with the channel or anything like that. Life's been very busy. We've been working on trying to sell our home and getting it ready to sell. That's why we put up the privacy fence recently. No, I didn't do it myself. Paid the professionals to do it because I wanted it to be nice. So we're in the process of also buying our next home. We close on that very soon. More videos are coming in the future. I've got some ideas for them, and they're going to be good, Lord willing, and they're going to be funny. And that annoying creature. Welcome to the Southeast. I wanted to thank you guys, my subscribers, and thank all of you also who have been sharing so many good comments, making this a community where we do in fact help each other. Thanks for liking all the videos on the channel. That really helps it and has helped it a lot. And please hang with me. Don't give up on me. More's coming. God bless. Peace. Check out that cool lizard. Hey, little guy.